Jamaican immigrant faces murder charges after evading deportation. And this is a candid reflection. Welcome back to the channel. My people, today I want to share a story that has hit home and sparked a lot of feelings within me. The story of David Pusey, a Jamaican immigrant now facing serious charges after evading deportation, touches on some hard realities we face as a community, as a nation. As a proud Jamaican, it pains me to see some of our youth making choices that reflect poorly on all of us. And I am here to express those feelings of disappointment and shame. The reality of our youth is just so disappointing sometimes. Jamaica is a country known for its vibrant culture, rich history, and resilience. However, along with our rich heritage come challenges that some of our youth struggle to navigate. David Pusey's story is not just about one man's mistake. It's a representation of a troubling trend among some of we youth, the Jamaican youths, those who choose the path of crime instead of pursuing opportunity for growth and success. Now, the choices we make, we must be held accountable for our actions. From the moment David stepped foot in Canada, he had a choice. He could have embraced all the chance for a fresh start, work hard, and make his family proud. Instead, he opted for the life of crime, becoming embroiled in activities that ultimately led him to the point of facing murder charges. This ain't just a bad decision. It's a conscious choice that reflects an attitude that many of us find hard to stomach. As Jamaicans, we often hear about our youths getting involved in gangs, drugs, and violence. It's a narrative that's damaging not only to individuals but also to our national image. We are known for incredible achievements in sports, music, and other fields. Yet, it's this negative image that some choose to embody. It's a source of embarrassment for many of us who strive to do better, representatives of our homeland. Accountability and community responsibility sometimes intertwined, a reality we all have to face. The emotional toll on families affected by such choices cannot be ignored. David's actions have not only put him in dire straits, but also bring disgrace to his family, leaving them to deal with the consequences of his reckless behavior. We must recognize that while every person has their own story, we can't continuously excuse poor choices by blaming external factors. As a community, it's crucial to demand accountability. We need to encourage our youths to recognize their potential and the importance of making positive decisions. Instead of glorifying gang culture and crime, let's celebrate those who break the mold and strive for greatness. In situations like these, what is the call to action? To anyone watching, whether you're Jamaican or from other culture, we need to have open conversation about this issue. We can't allow our youths to feel that crime is the only option, nor can we be indifferent to the impact of their choices on our community, on our country, on our people. We owe it to ourselves and future generations to promote better pathways, support systems, and educational opportunities. This conversation starts with us, holding each other accountable and empowering our young ones to be better. Yes, David Pusey made some terrible choices, and it's high time we address the reality behind actions like his. A reality we should strive to change for the better of our community. Sometimes the bad things can become the shaping of a brighter future. And as we wrap up, I want to hear from you. How can we uplift the youth in our community, stop all the crimes that is going on in Jamaica? Because may I tell you, it not look good nowhere, whether inside or outside of the country. And it's like you cut off you forget what it says to spite your face. When we are commit crimes, we are spite ourselves. What are all the steps we can take to inspire change and promote positive behaviors? Drop your thoughts below and let's continue this crucial dialogue for the future of our Jamaican youth. It's time to reclaim our narrative and show the world that we are more than just crime statistics. Until next time, stay strong and stay proud of who we are.